If you think passing the ISTQB exam requires months of studying, expensive courses, and endless memorization, think again. I passed the ISTQB exam foundation level in just 2 weeks. Let me show you exactly how you can do it too, whether you want to invest in a paid courses or go the completely free route. Let's dive in. Hello and welcome to GNT Creator YouTube channel. First, let's quickly break down what the ISTQB exam is. It is an internationally recognized certification for software testers, and the foundation level exam focuses on key concepts like testing fundamentals, testing techniques, and SDLC models. Whether you want to select paid or free approach, there are some items you need to keep in mind and follow. First, the ISTQB Foundation Level is a paid exam. The price can vary depends on the exam provider, but in my case, the provider was ASTQB. I took an online exam in March 2025, and the price was $229. Keep in mind that if you fail this attempt, you will need to pay the same amount for each next attempt. Second important item is a syllabus. It would be hard to read the whole syllabus at once, so I recommend to go topic by topic and mix it with theoretical videos and practice tests. Third item is glossary. Whenever you don't feel confident about any definition used in the educational process or practice tests, check it in glossary. Link will be provided in the description below this video. Now let's go through the strategies. Strategy number 1, the paid approach. If you want structured learning with expert guidance, a paid course can fast-track your preparation. Here's what worked for me. Udemy courses. I found an affordable, highly rated ISTQB course that provided well-structured lessons and exam tips. If you choose Udemy, look for courses with high ratings like 4.5 and above, and recent updates. ISTQB official syllabus. Even with a paid course, always cross-check the content with the official ISTQB syllabus. Practice exams. I took multiple practice tests from Udemy to familiarize myself with the question patterns. With this approach, I was able to study for about 2-3 hours a day and cover everything within 10 days, leaving the last 4 days for revision and mock tests. Strategy number 2, the free approach. Now, if you don't want to spend money on courses, don't worry. You can still pass the ISTQB exam using free courses, and here's how. Official ISTQB syllabus. This is your Bible. Download it from the ISTQB website and go through every section. YouTube tutorials. There are amazing free videos that cover the syllabus in detail. Just search for ISTQB Foundation Level full course. Free practice exams. I will provide the link from ASTQB with 6 practice exams. Each contains 40 questions as a real exam. You can test yourself and compare your answers with the correct ones provided in the separate file. Study groups and forums. Join ISTQB study groups on LinkedIn or Reddit to discuss doubts and get tips from those who have already passed. With this method, you can follow a 4-step plan, read the syllabus, watch relevant YouTube videos, take handwritten notes, and practice mock exams every 2-3 days. It requires more self-discipline, but will save you money. Before you go, here are my 5 tips to make sure you pass on your first try. Tip number 1, understand the concepts, don't just memorize. Questions are tricky. Make sure you truly understand why an answer is correct. Tip number 2, take at least 3 to 5 full-length mock-up exams. This will build your confidence and highlight weak areas. Tip number 3, manage your exam time well. You get 60 minutes for 40 questions. Don't spend too long on one question. Move on and come back if needed. Tip number 4. If English is not your first language, you can request for additional 15 minutes before the exam registration. So you will have 75 minutes in total. Tip number 5. Use exam-provided calculator and notes section in browser to help yourself during the exam, as using paper and pen is prohibited. And that's how I passed the ISTQB exam in 2 weeks. Now I want to hear from you. Are you planning to take the ISTQB exam? Drop a comment below. And if this video helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. See you in the next video. Bye.